Rumpelstiltskin. One day, a poor man took his daughter to see the king. "My daughter can spin straw into gold," said the poor man. The king took the girl to a room full of straw. "You must spin this straw into gold," the king said. The girl began to cry. "I cannot do this," she said. A funny little man came into the room. "If you give me your necklace, I will help you," said the man. "Yes," said the girl, "I will give you my necklace." The next day, the room was full of gold. So the king gave the girl more straw to spin into the gold. The funny little man came into the room. "If you give me your ring, I will help you," said the funny little man. "Yes," said the girl, "I will give you my ring." The next day, the room was full of gold. The king gave the girl more straw. "If you can spin this straw into gold," he said, "you will be my queen." The funny little man came into the room. "If you give me your first child, I will help you," said the funny little man. "Yes," said the girl, "I will give you my first child." The next day, the room was full of gold. The king married the girl soon. They had a child. The funny little man came to see the queen. "If you cannot guess my name," said the man, "you must give me your child." The queen began to cry. The queen sent her men to find every name they could, but she could not guess the name of the funny little man. Then one man saw the funny little man singing, "The queen will never win my game, for Rumpelstiltskin is my name." The man went to tell the queen. The next day, the queen said to the funny little man, "Is your name Rumpelstiltskin?" And the funny little man was so cross, he ran away and was never seen again.